It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, this video is for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I thought I'd show you what all my little tiny tidies are usually. So anyhow, here we go. The first thing I tiny tidied was me. Had a nice shower, put my makeup on, got dressed, did my hair. So that's my first tiny tidy. My second tidy is making my bed, tidying up my bedroom. I always like to have my bed made. Makes my day feel like it's gonna go much better. Third tiny tidy I did today was I cleaned out this little drawer where my tea towels were. And we made space for all the beautiful knives my husband has invested in. And it looks super. So now he has a nice place for his knives. Since he does the cooking, he should have a knife. Another tiny tidy was we took the bigger knives out of here. Made more room for silverware and stuff. So it's better. We're going to get a new one of these because this one doesn't work very good. It's like a basket. So it's pretty good. Another tiny tidy I usually do for the day is I always have, well, first of all, I'm going to mention that bin with the foam rubber on top, or with the foam on top. I'm just seeing if I want to have a coffee table in my living room. So I had that bin out to get the flowers, to get my sunflowers for my arrangement on my gate, which was Sunday's video. If you haven't watched that, I would appreciate it if you went and did that. It'd be great. Anyhow, my third tiny tidy is I'll fold up the blanket, and then I have this corner here, which is kind of my corner, and I have my vitamins and my makeup and some stuff here. So I'm going to tidy this little corner. Well, I thought I was taping, but I didn't. Anyhow, I cleaned up this little corner, which is my corner, and I had my vitamins all over the place, the bottles, and I keep them in that basket, and my makeup was out and about, and I put it in that little pink and stick it under the table. I added a couple of plants. One is artificial, one is real, and then there's my fairy garden with the live plants, and it's still looking good. I rolled up the blanket, put it in the buggy, or put it in the basket. And I fluffed up the cushions on my couch. So that's another little tidy that I do most days. Yesterday, I was moving some furniture around and plants and stuff, and I kind of changed this corner up a little bit. I moved my mother-in-law's tongue over there on the black stand, my husband's guitar, and we hung that picture there, and I moved the pole lamp in that corner. So I thought this little vignette looked pretty good. So I'm going to count that as a tiny tidy, because I did that yesterday. Just move some stuff around. And I think the corner looks really good. Oh, I'll move my tripod. And I think that all looks quite nice together. It's fun trying to decorate my living room. There's our big TV on the gray stand. And I've been playing with my tree that I made, which I'm going to include as a tiny tidy, because I put the brown tape on all the branches instead of the green. And I made the trunk thicker, so I think it looks more realistic. And there is a video of me making this tree, if you want to watch that. It's in my list of videos. But anyhow, I think my tree looks good there with my old magazine rack and the little puppy dog. And we're going to hang that clock up there where you see that black mark on the wall, just in behind the tree, and I think that will look quite nice too. So that's my video for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this video, and her channel is The Helpful Home, and she will give us a list of everyone who's participated in this video, and I'll put it in my comments down below, and I'll pin it so it stays at the top. And I encourage you all to go watch all their Tiny Tidies. It'll give you lots of encouragement to get up and just do one or two little things during the day, and you'll feel so much better. It's a great collaboration. And if you would please subscribe and like and comment on all the other ladies' channels and on mine, we would really, really appreciate it. Okay, thanks again for watching. Buddy says bye. Bye. Right, buddy? Right, buddy? You got kisses? You got kisses? Rusty, Rusty. I got Rusty here too. He doesn't like the camera. Here's my Rusty. Yeah. I don't know what Buddy's doing. He decided he's going to go away. Anyhow, these are my puppies. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.